Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Chef Billy. Today's episode we are cooking chicken fajitas. And here we go. Alright, so I got my chicken here cut up. And I got some fajita seasoning and Worcestershire sauce. Or however you pronounce it, I don't know. But I got it marinating. And over here I got my onion and pepper medley cooking. Yeah, it's going to be good. Stay tuned, y'all. Alright, so now I got the chicken mixed up in with the medley. And it's smelling and looking really good. And I cannot wait to try this. Alright, I'll catch you later when we get this cooked. Alright, my fajita meat's done. It's looking good and yummy. And yeah, let's eat. Alrighty, here we go. Very Baja Blastish, I don't know. Really good. I can taste that lime. Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching guys, and see you next time.